welcome to our principal, Mr. R. Venugopal sir, to Mr. Palaksha sir, welcome you sir, to Mr. Vinod sir, welcome you sir, Mr. Geeta ma'am, welcome you ma'am, Mr. Varalakshmi ma'am, welcome you ma'am.
Yoga is a holistic practice that unites body, mind and soul. Now with all open and so live that let us embark on a journey of devotional group prayers. Now I would like to welcome my group and girls for the prayers.
ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶರೀರ ಏಕಾಗ್ರತೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಂತರಾಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ
Narendra Modi, because he was the person who made our yoga, Indian culture and whatever to introduce this much to all over our world. Everybody started celebrating and adopting yoga, asanas. These are not also the people who started before only. Take the encourage you will have very good immune system, concentration, memory power, no eyesight. So no problem with it. You have very good health.
This is Roberta, your friend. Yoga is an invaluable gift from ancient Indian tradition to the world. It not only boosts your physical health but also supports your mental well-being. Every ದೈಹಿಕ, ಮಾನಸಿಕ, ಭಾವನಾತ್ಮಕ, ಆಧ್ಯಾತ್ಮಿಕ ಉನ್ನತಿಗೆ ಯೋಗವು ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಯೋಗ